do you follow Muhammad when he was a sinner? And
How was he a sinner? What did he sin?
because he did a lot of sins.
What sin? Name one. Hold on. Everybody,
so-
let me talk.
Okay,
Name
so
one. Name one.
is Muhammad
Name one.
No sin.
Name one. Name a sin.
Multiple wives.
That's a sin.
That is a sin.
What? Why is that a sin?
Because God
you
created
you don't have multiple wives in the Bible. How many wives did David have? Jesus never got married.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
But is it a sin to have multiple wives in the Bible?
Yes.
Show me where it says that. No, hold on. Show me where it says that. Did David have multiple wives?
Yes.
Did Solomon have multiple wives? So why is it a sin then?
That is a sin.
Why is it a sin?
That is a sin.
Why is it a sin?
It is a sin.
Why is it a sin?
Because that's not how God created man.
Where does it say that in the Bible it's a
God
sin?
created man and wife one.
Listen.
And he never said you can have
Show me.
Are you saying that
Show me in the Bible. Yes, you can. You can have multiple wives. Of course you can.
No,
Of
that's
course
not
you can.
good.
Show me in the Bible where it says you cannot have multiple wives. Was David a prophet of God?
Give him any ideas.
Well, better than having a husband, right? But was David a prophet?
David was a man after God's own heart, yeah.
And did he have multiple wives?
Yeah.